Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are taking a look at the top 5 best drones on Amazon for 2025. Whether you are a beginner looking for an easy-to-fly drone or an experienced creator searching for professional camera quality, this list has something for every type of flyer. From long-range 4K aerial drones to lightweight, registration-free models under 249 grams, these are the top-performing drones you can buy this year. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. So let's get started. Number 1. Bwine F7 GIM Pro Drone. The Bwine F7 GIM Pro is a high-end drone featuring a 6K UHD camera with a 3-axis brushless gimbal for amazing stabilization. It records 4K 30fps video, supports GPS smart control, and offers up to 70 minutes of total flight time. It also features a 10,000 feet digital FPV transmission range and TOF safety sensors. This drone is perfect for aerial photographers and travelers who want cinematic footage without spending thousands. The 3-axis gimbal is extremely stable, and the 6K camera delivers crisp, detailed shots. Its long transmission range and strong GPS lock make flying safe even for beginners. Pros: 6K UHD camera quality. 3-axis gimbal with strong stabilization. 70 minutes flight time. 10,000 feet FPV range. Good GPS and TOF obstacle safety. Cons: slightly bulky for travel. Charging takes longer than some competitors. Number 2. GPS drone with 4K camera under 249 grams. This lightweight 4K drone is ideal for beginners. It weighs under 249 grams, meaning no FAA registration is required. It offers a 45-minute max flight time, brushless motors, auto follow, tap fly, circle fly, and 1-key start. This is one of the top budget-friendly drones, combining portability and smart flight modes. The auto follow and tap fly features make it suitable for vloggers and solo travelers. Despite the low weight, it offers excellent stability and decent video quality. Pros: under 249 grams, no registration needed. 45 minutes flight time. Easy to fly for beginners. Strong smart modes like follow and orbit. Brushless motors for durability. Cons: camera not as premium as higher-end models. Struggles in strong winds. Number 3. Bwine F7 GB2 Pro Drone. The F7 GB2 Pro offers 4K UHD camera quality, a 3-axis gimbal, 10,000 feet control range, and an impressive 75 minutes of flight time with 3 included batteries. It supports GPS follow modes, waypoint flying, and auto return. This drone delivers the best long flight performance in its class. The 3-battery setup makes it perfect for events, travel, and outdoor shooting sessions. GPS precision ensures accurate hovering and smooth movement. Pros: 75 minutes of flight time. 3-axis smooth gimbal. Long-distance control range. Multiple intelligent modes. Beginner-friendly but powerful. Cons: charging multiple batteries takes time. Slightly heavier design. Number 4. Potensic Atom 4K Drone. The Potensic Atom features a 3-axis gimbal, 4K camera, 64-minute flight time, 6 kilometers transmission, and weighs under 249 grams. It includes quick shots, visual tracking, and an expansion kit option. This drone is a compact powerhouse. The 3-axis gimbal paired with 4K footage makes it ideal for high-quality content creation on a budget. The tracking system is responsive, and quick shots help beginners capture cinematic moves effortlessly. Pros: under 249 grams, ultra-portable. 3-axis gimbal. 4K 30fps recording. Visual tracking and quick shots. 6 km transmission range. Cons: low-light footage can be grainy. No obstacle avoidance sensors. Number 5. Bwine F7 Mini Drone. This mini drone offers 4K video and up to 8K photos with a 3-axis gimbal EIS system for ultra-stable shots. It provides 96 minutes of total flight time, weighs under 249 grams, has over 6 kilometers transmission, and supports advanced AI GPS features. The F7 Mini shines in portability and stability. The EIS plus gimbal combination gives surprisingly smooth footage. The long flight time is a major advantage, especially for travel and vlogging. Its smart return and waypoint modes make flying worry-free. Pros: extremely long flight time, 3-axis gimbal with EIS, 4K video and 8K photos, under 249 grams, advanced AI GPS features. Cons: best performance requires bright conditions. App interface could be more user-friendly. These are the top 5 best drones on Amazon for 2025, offering different strengths depending on your needs. If you want maximum image quality, the Bwine F7 GIM Pro wins. For travel-friendly drones under 249 grams, the Potensic Atom or F7 Mini are excellent. For long flight times, the Bwine F7 GB2 Pro stands out.